All right, everyone, the van's all put together. Bed's all made. I've got all my things charging over there. I've got my P-Cron E600 battery hooked up to my van, and also it is at the same time powering my Bouge RV, which is 38 degrees right now. And something new, my husband decided to make me these little supports for my bed here, and he made one for this side and one for that side, little platforms to raise my bed, and this middle support here. Let me show you what's going on up here. All my shoes. These are all my jackets, and you know I use my front seat as a coat rack. There's a ton of space behind here to put this folding e-bike, so I'm excited to use that up in the UP on these kind of rough roads that I don't want to take my van, and I can't even believe it fits back there. So guess what? I'm in the UP, Upper Peninsula of Michigan, almost to Lake Superior, and I'm so incredibly excited to be going van camping and rock hunting and e-bike riding with my new e-bike back there. Very excited. So here I am in Grand Marais. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what's happening. This is what I have going on here. This cute little town of Grand Marais. I love it here. It's a great little town. I'm going to do a little bit of rock hunting and off-roading with my e-bike, I think. I'm gonna give that a try. So anyhow, yes, the weather is, well, it says 59, which is 3 degrees off, which means 56 actually. So I'm gonna get down here to the water. We're gonna see what that entails. Okay, all right, let's go check it out. This is chert. It's drying out. This is gonna really be pretty rock when I'm done with it. Probably one of the most beautiful ones I found today. Keeper. Look at this pretty guy. That will shine up really nice too. Hey guys, here we are, Lake Superior, Grand Marais, Michigan. Beautiful, beautiful beach. I just got back from hiking all the way down there, back to here, which is where I'm parked, and now I am headed over there. I found a lot of good hard rock to polish and tumble when I get home. I've got Epidote, I've got Unikite, I've got quartz. Oh, let's see here. Let's see if I can pull one out of my bag of tricks here. This is where I'm keeping them right now. These guys, really beautiful hard stones. and they will polish up beautifully. So, I'm gonna head back to the van and find another spot to go rock hunting. All right, that is all. I'm out. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Well, the last time I was on this road, I got completely just smoked with washboard roads. It was the worst. This poor guy behind me is getting smoked with all my dust. But I can't complain. This is a great road right now to be traveling, and I'm so thankful. I'm on my way to Lake Superior State Forest Campground, the same place I was last year when I got overtaken by the black flies and the flies. It was terrible. Yeah, so anyways, it's early in the season, so I don't think I'm going to have a problem. But oh my goodness, behind me, let me show you. Look at that dust behind me. Can you see that in the back? Those poor people behind me are getting totally smoked. I feel terrible about it. Oh well, anyhow, I'm on my way, and glad to be going to this campground. I'm excited about it. And they just did this road. I can't even believe it. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm out. Catch you in a minute.
Arrived.
Well, guess what? The black flies are here again. It's bad. Whew. I gotta get out. I gotta get out of the woods. I'm here on beautiful Lake Superior, and look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that pretty? Anyhow, I was in Grand Marais. I'm just about 12 miles down the road from there, but this place is the worst for these little black flies. They're the worst. I thought that would be better because it's early in the season and it's cold, but that was a lie. That was wrong. Oh, look at this. Isn't that something? Beautiful. But these flies are everywhere. I'm just gonna get a look-see tonight before the sun goes down, and then I'm getting back to my van actually, because this is unbelievable. Whew, they're so bad. All right, you guys, I'll catch you in a little bit. Just checking in. Okay, bye.